Gamers, no need to spend big to get a solid, spacious desk with smart cable management and stability. Amazon has budget-friendly options that check all the boxes, including adjustable heights and added features like shelves and headphone hooks. All products links are mentioned in description below. Number 20. MOJO Gamer Pro. First, we have the MOJO Gamer Pro desk, which is a bit different from others. This desk is specifically designed for both sitting and standing. It comes bundled with a monitor arm, CPU tower hanger, and 3 magnetic cable management accessories, saving you money by not having to buy them separately. The soft touch gaming surface ensures precise mouse tracking, while the anti-glare matte finish prevents distracting reflections from external lights in your setup. Worried about accidental spills of food and drinks? The surface is water, smudge, and scratch proof. Plus, the desk is rated to hold up to 300 pounds of gear, so you can safely keep your monitor, PC, and other accessories. Number 19. The HL Direct 47-inch Gaming Desk. The HL Direct 47-inch Gaming Desk is a stylish and functional option for gamers, offering ample space for up to a 40-inch monitor. Its innovative ZZ frame design provides superior stability, supporting up to 150 pounds with a static weight limit of 200 pounds. Adjustable foot pads ensure stability on uneven surfaces. The desk features integrated RGB lighting with customizable colors and effects, enhancing the gaming ambiance. Its sleek, waterproof, and scratch-resistant carbon fiber coating ensures durability. Practical accessories like a large mouse pad, headphone hook, and cup holder keep your setup organized. Easy to assemble with responsive customer support, this desk is perfect for elevating your gaming experience. Number 18. ApexDesk Elite Pro Series. It offers a 60-inch by 30-inch tabletop with a cutout design for closer monitor placement, ideal for immersive gameplay. Its spacious surface fits large keyboards, multiple monitors, and gaming accessories, with built-in cable management to maintain organization. Powered by a dual motor, it supports up to 235 pounds and provides seamless height adjustments from 29 inches to 49 inches, with 4 preset settings for easy transitions between sitting and standing. The 1-inch thick tabletop and 12.75-inch straight edge offer ample space for equipment and C-clamp accessories. Easy assembly makes it a top choice for gamers and professionals. Number 17. Eureka Ergonomic Captain X Series 47-inch. Finding a budget-friendly gaming desk without compromising on features can be challenging, but the Eureka Ergonomic Captain X Series 47-inch fits the bill. This desk provides ample space for monitors, keyboards, and mouse pads with a 47-inch by 23-inch surface. Adjustable feet ensure the perfect level, and it comes with a large mouse pad, 4 USB ports, cup holder, headphone hook, and a rack for game discs and controllers. Integrated grommets and an underside tray help manage cables efficiently. Number 16. Cougar Mars Gaming Desk. A gaming desk isn't just a place for your gear, it should enhance your gaming experience. The Cougar Mars Gaming Desk delivers on this by including 2 connected hubs with audio jacks for a headset and microphone, plus USB ports for other devices such as a gaming keyboard and mouse. True to gaming culture, it also features built-in RGB lighting that syncs with your PC through a 5-volt addressable RGB header, compatible with Asus Aura Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Light, and ASRock Polychrome. Number 15. Lian Li DK-05F. This ultimate gaming desk PC case hybrid. If you can afford the $1,500 price tag, this behemoth doubles as an ultra-secure housing for your PC rig. Though its heavy construction makes assembly challenging, the robust metal frame ensures impressive stability even with mounted monitors. The frosted tempered glass top looks sleek with the included RGB lighting and can switch to a clear view to showcase the interior. While extravagantly priced and lacking some conveniences like cable management, the DK-04F masterfully blends a high-end gaming desk with an ultra-premium PC chassis. If budget is not an issue, this is a great choice. Number 14. Bestier Gaming Desk. The Bestier PC desk boasts 4 AC outlets and 2 USB charging ports, making it perfect for gamers who need convenient power access. This gaming desk features LED lights with 7 color options and 22 dynamic modes, which can be easily controlled using buttons on the lights. The reversible shelves can be installed on either the left or right side, according to personal preference. These shelves provide ample storage space for your unique gaming setup, while the side storage bag is ideal for cables or small items. The built-in hook is perfect for holding accessories such as headphones or keychains. The second shelf can be adjusted to 3 different heights or removed entirely, allowing customization to fit your computer setup. The sleek 3D carbon fiber finish adds a modern touch to any bedroom or gaming room. Built-in power outlets on the desk provide easy access for charging devices and powering gaming equipment, keeping you immersed in the game without interruption. Number 13. Yoobure L-shaped gaming desk. The Yoobure L-shaped gaming desk is designed with RGB LED lights that add excitement to any gaming setup. These lights feature over 60,000 color options and 29 flashing modes, controllable via an app or remote control. Measuring 55.1 inches in length, 19.7 inches in width, and 59.9 inches in height, this desk offers plenty of space for up to 3 monitors and other gaming gear. It also provides extra space for books or decorative items. Equipped with 4 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, the desk ensures fast charging for all your gaming and work devices. Beyond the spacious desktops, the Yoobure desk includes a large non-woven drawer for concealed storage, a top hutch, and an open shelf design that offers additional space for files, books, and other essentials. The sturdy 0.8-inch steel frame and 0.6-inch thick wood board with scratch-proof and water-repellent surfaces ensure durability and longevity. Number 12. Eureka Ergonomic Aero Gaming Desk. The Eureka AO Pro is a standout gaming desk with ample surface area to support multiple monitors, a powerful PC, and numerous accessories. Its unique winged shape offers easy access to your gear. The desk features 3 adjustable shelves at the back, perfect for housing monitors or speakers for an immersive gaming experience. Beneath the main desk, there's a dedicated keyboard tray with 360-degree horizontal rotation and a 15-degree tilt for better ergonomics while typing. Assembly can be a bit challenging, and the seams where the wings connect are not the most visually appealing. However, the desk is sturdy and comes in several sleek finishes, ideal for both gaming setups and workstations. Cable management is simplified with built-in channels, while headphone and cup holders help maximize desktop space. Integrated slots in the tabletop can also hold a tablet or smartphone, perfect for multitasking. Number 11. Cooler Master GD160V 1PC Gaming Desk. The Cooler Master GD160 is a rare find, a robust, spacious, and affordable gaming desk. With a price point around $300, it offers a sturdy frame that can support up to 220 pounds and stays stable even during intense gaming sessions. The large desktop surface easily accommodates multiple monitors, making it a solid choice for gamers. While the GD160 lacks some premium features like RGB lighting or a standing mechanism, it does come with a cable management tray to keep wires organized. Number 10. IKEA Utespelare Gaming Desk. This gaming desk is an affordable and practical option, designed in collaboration with ROG to ensure thoughtful functionality. For under $300, you won't find motorized adjustments or electrical components, but you will get a spacious surface that can hold a gaming PC and multiple monitors. The desk includes a metal mesh panel at the back for ventilation and a cable management net to keep wires out of sight. The ergonomic tabletop, reversible design, and adjustable height between 27 and 30 inches ensure a comfortable seating position. Number 9. Secretlab Magnus Metal Desk. It builds on the brand's reputation for unique and innovative gaming desks. Its magnetic ecosystem allows for easy customization with add-ons like cable management solutions, desk mats, and RGB lighting. The optional RGB lighting, powered by Nanoleaf, is simple to install and offers custom effects that can sync with other Nanoleaf devices and smart home systems. The Magnus Pro's ultra-durable metal surface and steel chassis can support even the most extensive gaming setups. The height adjustment, operated by a built-in control panel, transitions smoothly between sitting and standing. Additionally, the integrated power supply in the desk's left leg helps keep cable clutter to a minimum. Number 8. Flexispot Electric Adjustable Height Standing Desk. For those with limited space, the Flexispot EN2 Adjustable Height Desk is a compact yet reliable option. The 40 by 24 inch model offers enough space for a monitor and essential peripherals while remaining stable and durable. The desk's steel frame and chipboard top can support up to 154 pounds. While it lacks extras like RGB lighting or advanced cable management, its $200 price makes it a great budget choice that balances functionality and affordability. Number 7. Cougar EMARS Gaming Desk. This gaming desk is more than just a sturdy platform for your gaming setup, it's a connectivity hub. The desk features USB-C and Type-C cables for monitor extension, 2 USB-A ports, and audio mic jacks, all within easy reach. Its ergonomic design includes curved edges and rounded corners, with dual electric motors for smooth height adjustments between sitting and standing positions. The EMARS combines functionality, design, and ample connectivity options for a top-tier gaming experience. Number 6. Homall 63. Since we're focusing on budget options, let's kick things off with the Homall 63, the absolute best value in the budget gaming desk category. This desk has a gamer-friendly design with practical features such as a headphone hook and a cup holder on the side. It also includes a smart cord collector underneath to keep your cables tidy. The Homall 63 has a large gaming surface that accommodates any size monitor and extra gaming gear. One standout feature is its carbon fiber textured surface. It's not only sleek and cool looking, but also smooth, waterproof, and resistant to scratches. For added stability, the desk has a Z-shaped base with a metal frame and triangular junction design. No wobble here, even on uneven floors. The adjustable leg pads add further stability. If you're looking to get maximum value for your money, this is the desk for you. Number 5. ODK-55. Next we have the ODK-55, a real showstopper at an affordable price. This desk not only looks great, but is highly functional. It can support 2 full monitor stands or laptops and is built to last with its solid metal frame and thick particle board. The ODK-55 also comes with LED lighting, a must-have feature for any epic gaming desk. The lighting adds a whole new vibe, especially for night gaming. For added durability, the desk has an X crossbar for stability and reduced wobbling during intense gaming sessions. Plus, it includes built-in USB ports for convenient charging and a reversible PC stand shelf, along with a headphone hook. Assembly is straightforward and all tools are included, making it possible to put together in under 30 minutes even if you're not tech savvy. Number 4. SEDETA L-shaped gaming desk. If you love staying organized, the L-shaped SEDETA L-shaped gaming desk is perfect for you. This model offers ample space, making it ideal for smaller rooms where you need to maximize every inch. It can fit up to 3 monitors, making it possible to set up a full gaming rig with room to spare. The desk features a top hutch that can be placed on either side, offering versatility. Built-in power outlets and RGB LED lights enhance the desk's appeal. With customizable lighting that offers 60,000 colors and 29 flashing modes. You can even sync the lights to your music. The desk also includes 2 shelves, a storage bag, a pegboard, a keyboard tray, and a headphone hook. Its reversible design allows you to transition from a 67-inch corner desk to a 94.5-inch two-way setup. Considering the price, the SEDETA L-shaped gaming desk is a feature-packed option. Number 3. Mr. Ironstone L-shaped desk. Finding a budget desk that supports multiple monitors can be tough, but that's where the Mr. Ironstone L-shaped desk comes in. Its unique design offers space for up to 3 monitors and plenty of room for your arms. You can also add a laptop, printer, or console without compromising comfort. The desk supports up to 350 pounds thanks to its X-shaped legs, offering excellent stability. The ergonomic design ensures that your arms and abdomen have space, making it perfect for all night gaming sessions. The textured wood finish adds a stylish touch that's also resistant to wear. Not just for gaming, this desk can seamlessly blend into a more general workspace. Number 2. Flexispot EN2. For marathon gamers who need a sturdy desk, the Flexispot EN2 is a great option. It features a one-piece desktop that provides a solid base for your setup, whether you have multiple monitors or just a console. With an industrial-grade steel frame and a 1-inch thick desktop, this desk can support up to 154 pounds. The electric height adjustment feature allows you to switch between sitting and standing positions smoothly, ranging from 28.1 to 45.7 inches. The motor operates quietly, ensuring you don't disturb others during late night sessions. Although assembly may take some time, the end result is worth the effort. Number 1. Ergear Standing Desk. Finally, meet today's winner, the Ergear Standing Desk. Known for its durability, this desk features a solid steel frame with aerospace-grade lifting column connectors. Even after 100,000 adjustments, the desk remains rock steady. Perfect for intense gaming, this desk won't let you down. The Ergear Standing Desk is also easy to assemble, with fewer steps and minimal lifting involved. Once set up, the cable management options keep your gaming space neat. The desk's height is adjustable adjustable between 28.35 and 46.46 inches, with 3 programmable settings for quick adjustments. It can comfortably support up to 3 monitors and a laptop, making it highly versatile. Constructed from low VOC materials, the Ergear desk not only feels great, but also looks premium. This model is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality gaming desk. That's it for this video.